Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove the white background off of a picture in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have loaded up a picture of a dog. This is just one solid layer, and that he has a white background. And I'll be showing you how to remove this white background and make the background transparent. Now, all you have to do is just click on the magic brush tool, which is this sort of magic wand rather. It is this tool under the lasso tool or lasso select, and all you have to do is click on the white background, and that should be it. Now, as you can see, it selected some other parts which it detects as the white background, for example the spot on this puppy's forehead, and you can edit that out yourself if you wish. You can also auto select it using the lasso tool. For example, let me just deselect the actual selection, and you can use the lasso tool to select whatever you would like, such as this. Now, this is a very rough selection. As you can see, I won't go into too much detail, but if you select in either or way, you can just click delete, or whoops, what you need to do first is right click and click inverse, and now you can click delete, and as you can see, the background will be deleted and it'll be transparent. Now, if I do the same with the magic wand, as you can see, it will delete other pieces of the actual picture, such as the puppy's forehead. However, you can just color that back in. However, you can also modify it to select it better. You can also select both the background and these sort of white spots manually, just to make sure that they are all deleted, since the selection won't penetrate due to this being a closed line. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You just click delete and you can add any picture in the background as you wish. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.